In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a blog that's actually profitable, not just a digital journal that collects dust. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever tried blogging before and gave up because it didn't make any money, or if you've been sitting on blog ideas but don't know where to start, this is going to clear up a ton of confusion. Let's get into it. So before we get started on the how, let's talk about the why, because blogging often gets written off as outdated or slow, but the truth is a blog is one of the most powerful assets you can build online, especially if you care about long-term traffic, visibility, and sales. Unlike social media where your content disappears in 24 hours, blog posts can rank on Google and drive free SEO traffic for months, even years. That means your content keeps working for you long after you hit publish. A blog attracts search engine traffic from people actively looking for what you offer, builds trust and authority in your niche, helps you grow an email list or qualified interested readers, gives you a place to monetize with products, services, or affiliate links, acts as your central hub. Everything you post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can point back to it. If you're serious about building scalable income online, you need a platform that you own and control. That's what a blog gives you. Now let's get into how to build one that actually makes money. Step number one is to pick a profitable niche, not just a passion. You need more than passion to make a blog profitable. A good blog niche sits at the intersection of what you enjoy writing about and what other people are actively searching for and spending money on. Start by brainstorming topics you could write about for the next 6 to 12 months without getting bored. Then validate those ideas using keyword research. You can use tools like Semrush to see how many people are searching for terms in that space and how hard it is to rank for them. You want to look for keywords with at least 1,000 monthly searches. Low to moderate keyword difficulty, ideally under 40 if you're just starting, and clear monetization angles. Are people already promoting products or services in this space? If you want to dive into Semrush, I've left our exclusive link in the description down below for you. You can get started with a free 14-day trial. Once you identify a niche that checks all 3 boxes, make a list of 10 to 20 content ideas that you can create around it. If you can consistently come up with content, you'll have a much easier time building authority and attracting readers. Some evergreen profitable niches include health and wellness, fitness routines, healthy eating, mental health, personal finance like budgeting, saving, investing, career and online business, remote work, freelancing, side hustles, self-improvement like productivity, habits, mindset, DIY fashion, tech, or hobbies that involves purchasing tools or services. Nailing this first step sets the tone for everything else. Step number 2 is we're going to set up your blog. So I recommend Wix. It is my favorite. It's the easiest to use. So once your niche is clear, it's time to get your blog live. With Wix, you don't need to worry about coding, complicated installs, or hiring a developer. It's all drag and drop and beginner friendly. What you want to do first is use our exclusive link in the description below and you will get brought to this page, and then you can go ahead and enter your email address and get started with a free plan. So then you can go ahead and answer a couple questions. So who are you creating the website for yourself? We're gonna set up without this. We're gonna just search blog, click continue. Okay, so just to get started, we're not gonna go through all of this, but you can connect a domain. You can also search for one here. Then we'll create the first blog post, design website, and get found on Google. So we'll go ahead and click create first blog post. So you can create it right in here. For example purposes, we are just going to have ChatGPT write it for us. Perfect. And we're good to go. You can, of course, make sure it looks better, but you also can create with AI. So you can actually describe the topic right here, make it entertaining. Maybe we want to tweak it a bit. So we'll just say make it entertaining. Cool. Okay. So we can go ahead and schedule it or publish it. Let's just click publish. Now, this is where all of our blogs will live. What we want to do though is we're going to go to the setup again. We're going to design our site. So let's pick a template. They have so many different templates here that you can choose from. So make sure you find one that fits your vibe. You can of course change the font and the colors, but make sure you like the structure. If you want something a little bit more simple, go with something like this. If you're a more bright and bubbly personality, maybe you want something a little bit brighter. Let's do wellness. Well, maybe we want to go with more of this one. You'll of course want to customize with your logo, your brand name, colors, but this is such a great place to start. So you can go ahead and edit up here. You can change the vector art. You can change the paragraph. You can easily drag and drop these. You can add other elements in here. We're going to go here and navigate to the blog. Cool. As you can see, it already automatically populates. That's what makes Wix so easy, especially when creating a blog. So again, you'll want to play around with Wix. It's really easy to navigate. It's very intuitive. It's drag and drop. So just make sure that you are designing it in a way that feels authentic to you. Some other things you want to do is create a homepage with a simple welcome message and call to action, and then of course your blog where all the posts will appear. You'll also want an about section to share who you are and what your blog offers, as well as a contact page. So you can include an email form or links to socials. As an option, you can add a resources page for affiliate links or freebies. Then you'll want to connect a custom domain. Like I said, you can buy one directly or connect your own domain, and you'll want to make sure that it's optimized for mobile and SEO, especially with your blog. So many people use their phones these days. So to do that, all you do is click here and you can preview what it would look like on the phone, and then you can edit accordingly. All of this can be done in just a few hours. Once your site is live, you can focus fully on content creation without getting stuck in the tech. If you want to get started with Wix, make sure you use our exclusive discount to make sure you're getting the best price possible. Step number 3 is to write strategic blog posts based on search. Random blog posts won't drive traffic. Strategic posts built around actual search queries will. Here's what you can do. Use Semrush to search keywords in your niche. Filter for long tail keywords with low competition and clear intent. These are easier to rank for. Plan your post around one keyword per article. Make sure it appears in the title, meta description, and headers. Outline your post before writing. Use a clear structure. Introduction that hooks the reader, several H2 subheadings breaking down the topic, bullet points or numbered lists where needed, and include internal links to other posts and external links to credible sources. Make your content skimmable. Use short paragraphs, spacing, and formatting to make reading easy. Add visuals, screenshots, graphics, or embedded videos to increase engagement and time on site. Include a call to action. Invite readers to subscribe to your list, download a resource, or read another blog post. Aim to publish 1 to 2 posts per week. Quality matters more than quantity. Each post becomes a long-term traffic source if optimized properly. Now, step number 4 is to start building your email list from day one. Your email list is where most of your monetization will happen. It's how you build a relationship with your audience and promote offers over time. Here's how to build your email list step by step. First, I would recommend Beehiiv. It's built for creators and lets you set up opt-ins, emails, and automation super easily. If you want to check them out, I've left the link in the description for you. Then you can create a lead magnet that solves a small but valuable problem. For example, 10 healthy recipes for busy professionals, side hustle startups checklist, budget tracker template. And you'll want to place opt-ins in key areas like your homepage, at the end of every blog post, on a dedicated freebie or subscribe page. If you want to get started with Beehiiv, you can actually get 20% off your first 3 months on the paid plans after your complimentary third trial. So you can even just get started with the free trial. Okay, so this is what the dashboard looks like. You can create an email right here by clicking the plus button. They've also got posts that you can create and add tags to, and then all of your subscribers, segments, automations, polls, surveys, subscribe forms. You also can import subscribers. So what I like about Beehiiv is it's just very straight to the point, and you can go ahead and just easily send emails consistently. I would recommend setting up a welcome sequence. So with the welcome sequence, they'll essentially be given the freebie for your email address. So what you want to do first for this welcome sequence is, of course, deliver the freebie and then introduce you and your blog's mission, then share your best content or resources, and then you can promote your affiliate links or products. By collecting emails early, you'll be building an audience you can actually reach, not relying on algorithms. Now, step number 5 is to monetize your blog the smart way. Now for the fun part, which is making money. You actually don't need a massive audience to monetize. You just need the right offers aligned with your content and readers. Here are 3 smart ways to do it. 1 is affiliate marketing. You can sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche, like the tools in this video. You could add affiliate links to product reviews, tutorials, and roundups. And of course, be honest about what you like and don't like. Transparency really builds trust. Next is digital products. So you can create a low-cost offer like a printable guide or mini course. You can sell it via your blog, email list, or a tool like Gumroad or Thrivecart. You can use blog posts to lead readers to your product naturally. Next is email promotions. So you can use your list to launch affiliate products, host flash sales, or promote launches. Focus on products that solve a real problem for your audience. Include value-driven emails, not just salesy pitches. As your traffic and list grow, your income does too. It starts slow but snowballs quickly with consistency. Blogging is one of the best ways to create a scalable online business if you treat it like a business from the start. You don't need fancy tech or viral content. You just need a clear niche, a solid platform like Wix and Semrush, and an email list powered by something like Beehiiv. Focus on creating value every single week and the growth will come. If you're ready to start your own blog, use our exclusive links in the description to get started with the tools that we covered today. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It really just helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real scalable income streams with digital tools and simple systems. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.